Here we are given a trigonometric expression. What we need to prove is that its value is 0. Now, if you look carefully, you will see that the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction both have 1 and sec a. Similarly, the denominator here and the numerator here both have 1 and sine a. Doesn't that look suspicious? Why don't we make both the denominators same? So there we have taken this fraction and multiplied throughout with this denominator. Similarly, we have taken this fraction and multiplied throughout with this denominator. So there we have got the denominator same. Now, I like denominators better. That is why I made the denominator same. But if you prefer the numerator, the same thing you can do with the numerator and you can make the numerator same. So there we have made both the denominators same, which we can take out. Now what is left of the first term? We have a cot square a, and then what do we have here? A minus b into a plus b. What does the algebraic formula say? A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square, or in other words, you have such an equation. What is that? What is secant square a minus 1? It is tan square a, right? So let us substitute it with tan square a. Now what is cot square a into tan square a? What is it? Tan and cot are reciprocals of one another. So the whole of the first term is actually just 1. Now let us move on to the second term. What is left of the second term? You have a secant square a, and inside the bracket what do you have? Again you have a plus b into a minus b, which is what? A square minus b square. What is sine square a minus 1? 1 minus sine square a is cos square a. But then sine square a minus 1 will be what? It will be minus of cos square a. So let us substitute it there. But then what do we know about sec and the cos values of any angle? They are reciprocals of one another, which means sec square a into cos square a will be 1, but here we have a minus, which means it is actually minus 1. So this whole thing becomes what? A very simple 0, and that is the answer that we were looking for. That is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.